With the introduction of the O1 Preview and O1 Mini family of AI models, OpenAI has recently gone above and beyond expectations, redefining the boundaries of artificial intelligence. These models not only outperform the GPT series, but they also solve issues that were previously believed to be too complicated for AI, achieving PhD-level performance in fields like physics, math, and coding. You will discover how these models significantly outperform their predecessors, the practical uses for which they are excellent, and the remaining drawbacks in this movie. So tune in as we explain why the AI community is giddy with anticipation about this release. Going above and beyond GPT, OpenAI's O1 model family was more than just a GPT series advancement when it was first released. Rather, the O1 series, which includes the O1 Preview and O1 Mini, was created to manage much more difficult jobs than GPT-4 could ever perform. These models are made to tackle complex issues in fields like physics, mathematics, chemistry, and biology, rather than only producing text or providing simple answers. With this launch, OpenAI aimed to advance AI reasoning by addressing problems that need for intricate multi-step mental processes that are far more complex than those of earlier models. Specifically, the O1 Preview model has been developed to function at a PhD level in some of the most difficult academic domains. O1 Preview performs exceptionally well in benchmarks that demonstrate this, according to OpenAI's reports. For example, O1 Preview was able to solve 83% of the issues on the International Mathematics Olympiad (AMO) qualifying exam. To put that in perspective, only 13% of those issues were resolved by its predecessor, GPT 4.0. This notable improvement in problem-solving skills represents a substantial change in the potential of AI, particularly in specialized fields. What exactly does PhD-level AI mean? Although the phrase PhD-level intelligence may sound like marketing speak, models like as O1 Preview are based on extensive testing. The ability of O1 Preview to manage activities requiring complex reasoning and multi-step problem-solving is one of the main areas where it shines. This goes beyond simply producing precise answers to straightforward queries. It involves comprehending and improving on difficult tasks in real time, just like a human researcher would. Let's use the example of physics. A physicist working in quantum optics might need to develop complex mathematical formulas to test hypotheses. O1 Preview can assist by reasoning through these formulas, helping researchers arrive at solutions that would take humans far longer to calculate. This isn't just theoretical. OpenAI has designed O1 Preview to excel at tasks like these by dedicating more processing time to think through problems, testing various strategies, and refining its answers. And it's not just physics. The O1 Mini model, though less powerful than its bigger sibling, still holds its own in fields like coding and math. Despite being 80% cheaper, O1 Mini managed to score 70% on the IMO math benchmark, closely trailing O1 Preview's 83%. It's a more streamlined version designed to be cost-effective, but still robust enough to handle complex problems. Area where both O1 Preview and O1 Mini stand out is in coding. According to OpenAI, the models excel at solving programming challenges and debugging complex code, making them ideal tools for developers. The real advantage lies in their ability to handle multi-step workflows. For instance, developers often need to execute tasks that require several steps to complete, tasks that involve writing, debugging, and refining code across multiple systems or applications. O1 Preview's reasoning ability allows it to streamline these processes, reducing development time and increasing efficiency. In coding competitions like Codeforce's, O1 Preview ranked in the 89th percentile, an incredible achievement that places it among the top programmers globally. This means that for developers working on high-stakes projects, O1 Preview can save time and reduce the likelihood of errors. Whether it's debugging complex code, automating workflows, or solving challenging programming tasks, the O1 models have proven to be valuable tools. The potential for the O1 models goes far beyond coding. In fact, some of the most exciting applications lie in healthcare and scientific research. In healthcare, for instance, researchers often work with massive datasets. Whether it's analyzing cell sequencing data or identifying patterns in medical imaging, these tasks require deep analysis and precision. And this is where the O1 models can shine. According to OpenAI, O1 Preview can assist in annotating complex biological data, helping researchers discover insights that would otherwise take weeks or even months to uncover. In scientific research, the models can be used to generate mathematical formulas or refine hypotheses, especially in fields like chemistry and biology. The ability to reason through complex tasks means that researchers can focus more on experimentation and less on the tedious process of data analysis and formula generation. By handling these more routine but complex tasks, the O1 models allow researchers to accelerate their work. Where the O1 models fall short, while the O1 models are undeniably impressive, it's important to highlight the current limitations. For all their groundbreaking capabilities, O1 Preview and O1 Mini are still in their early stages. Right now, they only support text-based tasks, meaning they can't generate images, browse the web, or handle file uploads. For users who need these features, whether for content creation, data analysis, or simply accessing real-time information, the O1 models fall short. This lack of browsing and image generation also limits the model's applicability in certain domains. For instance, designers or content creators who rely on AI to generate visual content won't find much utility in the O1 series. OpenAI has promised that these features will be added in future updates. But for now, users looking for a more versatile tool may still prefer to use GPT-4. Additionally, there are usage limits that might frustrate some users. Right now, ChatGPT Plus and Team users have access to the O1 models, but the usage is capped at 30 messages per week for O1 Preview and 50 messages per week for O1 Mini. This makes the models less accessible for those who need consistent and long-term use, particularly in research or development environments where constant access is essential. Enterprise and EDU users will gain access soon, but rate limits are still a major drawback at this stage. Safety and security, one of the most significant advancements with the O1 models, is in the area of safety and security. OpenAI has implemented a new safety training approach designed to ensure the models better follow alignment and safety guidelines. This is critical in an era where AI models are increasingly tested for their ability to generate harmful or inappropriate content. In one of OpenAI's toughest jailbreaking tests, where the model is tested to see if it can be manipulated into producing unsafe content, O1 Preview scored 84 out of 100 compared to GPT-4's much lower score of 22. Before releasing these models to the general public, OpenAI is also closely collaborating with the AI safety institutions in the US and the UK to thoroughly test them. This partnership is a component of OpenAI's broader effort to create secure AI systems. It's crucial to remember that the field of AI safety is still in its infancy. Furthermore, even though the O1 models are unquestionably safer, they are not infallible. Errors can still happen, and constant monitoring and upgrades will be necessary to guarantee total safety. Why O1 might revolutionize artificial intelligence? The O1 series' capacity to manage extremely specialized jobs is what really sets it apart.